My name's Gary Dovico. I own Southside Repair Incorporated in Batavia, Iowa. We restore antique trucks, and this is 1958 International. We pull it and we jailbreak it, and that's what we do. Have fun.
How long have you had it?
I've had probably 15 years.
And what did it do before you got
It was in Colorado, and it pulled doubles up the mountains. Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's all original, everything but the stacks. Every bit of it's original.
Any idea how many miles?
I have no idea.
No idea.
No, it don't work.
Engine, transmission, all that?
Yeah, everything. Oh, it's a 220 Cummins with a 4 and a 3, and I think it's a 463 gears, something like that.
Do you take it to a lot of shows?
Oh yeah, I drive it to a lot of them in Iowa, local.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, we go to Casa, Minnesota. We go to Earlville's our first show. We pull it there. Casa, Minnesota, we pull it every year. And we take it to Joplin. I pull it down there. We just go all over it. When I bought it, it was yellow, and I pressure washed it and blew all the paint off. Then we spray panned it. We just rattle canned it brown. I just call it out of town brown.
It looks like it's always been like this.
It does. Rest-Oleum. It's a rat rod.